For as long as I can remember, Schlage bed and bath lock sets could be unlocked with the straight pin tool. Even a straightened paper clip will do the trick. But on this current model Schlage bed and bath lock set that I just installed, the straight pin tool doesn't work. Instead, this pin tool with an offset tip came with the lock set. You insert the pin and twist clockwise to unlock the lock set. Now you know.